Wow, good afternoon. My name is Tim Throne, Superintendent of Oxford Community Schools. On behalf of over 700 employees and 7,000 students, we're thankful to the state of Michigan, the governor, Director Clark, the bus manufacturers, DTE, certainly MAPT, and for our part, I'd like to personally thank Sam Barna, our Assistant Superintendent of Business and Operations, and our Director of Transportation, Ann Whedon. If it was not for her, we probably would not be involved in this project. As a district, we've been actively working to replace our aging diesel fleet of school buses. In fact, the majority of our buses are older than 12 years old, probably pretty much similar to many districts in the state of Michigan. The opportunity to replace a couple of them with electric buses in turn will allow us to protect human health and our environment. The safety and well-being of our students are always top and center. Beyond the health benefits, the addition of the electric buses will impact our district monetarily, allowing us to save on gallons of diesel fuel, maintenance, and many other cost factors. In Oxford, we strive to be innovative in education. Now we feel we can honestly say that we're innovating from the curb to the classroom. We're excited to use the electric buses as aids in our award-winning auto tech program, as well as in our IB classrooms. They're investigating how to minimize our carbon footprint at the same time maximizing our return on educational investment dollars. From all of us in Wildcat Nation, thank you.